In this video, I'll teach you how to manage trash in WordPress. Now, in order to do that, what we can do is you can first head over right here into our WordPress, and then from in there, click on this Get Started option right here or right here in order to get started from an account. Now, if you already have an account, you can head over and click on this Login option. And since I already have one, let me just head over and then log in. Now, I have in here this particular event, and let's try to move this to trash. Once you have actually moved a particular post, comment, event, or media to trash, they will be added to that part. Now, if you want to actually manage your trash, what we can do is we can just navigate to the relevant section for our dashboard. So if it's a post that you have deleted, it will be under the post. If it's a page that you have deleted, it will be under the pages. But on my case, since I have deleted an event, it will be under the event. From in there, you can just go over to the list of events that you have and click on this trash icon that you can see right here. From in there, you can see this. You can actually retrieve it by clicking onto this. You can restore or delete permanently. You have options right here in order to do that. Now, if you actually deleted a post, you can head over here to the post option. And into this part, you can also click on the trash icon. Like for example, let's try to delete this part first, and let's see it appear into our actual trash. Now, if you have actually deleted a page, they will be found right here into the pages. And in here, you can find the published drafts and the likes. So in here, you can manage drafts through that way. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video actually helped you out with everything you need.